In this short video, I am going to show you how you can quickly and easily create everything you need to start an online business in any niche using just a keyword for yourself or your clients, without any technical or designing skills, and without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools or expensive freelancers and agencies. You see, if you want to start an online business, you'll need to spend a lot of money on tools like ClickFunnels, Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and at least 10 other such tools. Every single day, thousands of businesses spend millions of dollars on these because you'll need to get essential resources and assets created, including promotional videos, landing pages, ads for Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn, marketing copy for blogs, sales pages, websites, e-com stores, and company profiles, branding kits, graphics in all sizes like banners, social media graphics, logos, print graphics including letterheads, business cards, invoices, voiceovers, sales and cold email swipes, and a bunch of other stuff. You see, you'll end up spending over $10,000 just getting your online business ready before even making your first dollar online. And it doesn't stop there, because running an online business requires you to create new assets or redo most of your pages, videos, and designs to stay with the trends, which means this turns into a recurring expense as well. And to add to all that, all the headaches that come with chasing freelancers and agencies, literally begging them to deliver on time and meet the deadlines so that you don't end up overrunning your budget. Now, luckily, we had the team and other resources needed to solve all of these problems once and for all, to build a tool that will make it easy for us to create these assets and resources whenever we need them in just a few minutes. Now imagine, what if you too could create all these on your own without learning any special skills or buying expensive or complicated tools? What if you could just type a keyword and create all the things you need for your business, not just for yourself, but for your clients as well, and charge them top dollar for your services? That's exactly what our brand new powerful tool, MarketingBlocks, does for you. MarketingBlocks is the first to JVZoo all-in-one AI-powered app that creates all the online business assets for you and your clients just using a keyword. Now create stunning and guaranteed to convert online business assets in 3 easy steps. Simply enter product name and description and select the type of online business asset you need. Choose from landing pages, marketing copy, promotional videos, logos, social media ads for Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, graphics, email swipes, or even voiceovers. The AI generates 100% original assets, ready for use in your business or to sell to your clients for big profits. Take a look at all the things MarketingBlocks helps you create. High-converting landing pages, that too with pre-built content that you can simply customize to match your brand and offer. Stunning promotional videos in different shapes and sizes. Create square, rectangle, or story videos to make your business go viral on every social media platform. Create highly engaging ads for Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. And it's now something you can do in just a few minutes using MarketingBlocks. Save all the money you'd have had to spend on copywriters and voiceover artists for your sales page copy, video scripts, email swipes, and other content like blogs, websites, and company profiles. MarketingBlocks turns you into a professional designer, even if you have no design skills and have never created a single design in your life. You can now design stunning banners, social media graphics, logos, letterheads, business cards, and invoices using the built-in design tools powered by AI. Never worry about using copyrighted images and videos or paying for stock images and videos for your designs. With MarketingBlocks, you get unlimited access to millions of stock images and videos at no extra cost. All you've got to do is enter your product name and description, select the type of online business asset you need, and bam! Your perfect marketing copy, landing page, ad, or even a promo video, it's now ready, created automatically by our advanced AI. Oh wait, we haven't even told you the best part yet. You could also sell this as a service to other businesses that are desperately needing these assets. That's right. To help you maximize your profits, we have included the commercial license worth $497 completely for free for you Just today, you can now download and sell these assets individually or inside a packaged deal to your clients or use them for your own marketing purposes. Look, small working from home freelancers and agencies are making thousands of dollars, helping businesses to get online right now. All they are doing are using outdated fill-in-the-blank templates to create these online assets and other content for them. Companies don't have a choice but to pay through their teeth for these services that give them nothing but low conversion rates, zero engagement, hardly any sales, and such pathetic profits. Look, the fact is, there are over 31 million small businesses in the U.S. alone looking for someone to help them with logos, designs, marketing copy, promo videos, voiceovers, and a bunch of other things. Just imagine if you can even land a fraction, I'm talking about 0.001% of them. That would still be enough to start a hugely profitable marketing agency. With MarketingBlocks, you can create all the things needed by these businesses to go online. And that too, without doing any hard work. All you need to do is enter a few keywords and a couple of clicks to create guaranteed to convert online business assets in over 100 international languages. MarketingBlocks positions you as a full-blown agency, specializing in helping people set up online businesses without being an expert in writing or designing, without having to find, hire, and pay unreliable freelancers and expensive agencies who charge an arm and a leg, without being forced to learn any new skills, and without buying any complicated or expensive tools. I know it sounds amazing, right? We think so too. Now, I must tell you that there are two very special things going on in this launch. First, we are giving away the commercial license without the need to upgrade. And second, you could get access to MarketingBlocks at a very special, one-time, massively discounted price. Look, we've been working on MarketingBlocks for over a year now and have spent over $85,000 to bring it to life. But after this special launch period ends, we simply can't afford to keep this available for such a low price, and so we will have to start charging a monthly fee along with a setup fee. Even during the launch itself, the price will increase every few hours, but for the next few hours, you can join MarketingBlocks as a founding member for a one-time fee, no commitments, no recurring payments, and backed by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm sure by now you realize that you can't let this opportunity just slip away. Feeling overwhelmed and excited at the same time? We get it. So let's just quickly recap all the awesome features you get with MarketingBlocks. First, AI-powered graphics editor to help you create stunning, professional, and high-converting designs on demand. Second, AI-powered video editor to quickly create and edit sales videos, explainer videos, and promotional videos. Third, AI-powered text-to-speech editor that gives you access to over 30 high-quality, natural-sounding voiceover artists to choose from. AI-powered page builder to help you generate stunning and high-converting pages in just a few minutes. You also get access to a built-in wizard that auto-generates and resizes all your marketing assets to match the requirements for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and other social media platforms, and there's lots more too. Remember, this exclusive price that you see here is going to vanish soon. This is one of those opportunities that if you miss it, it will keep you up at night. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to join the Elite Marketers Club now.